Good morning and welcome to my vlog. Good.
Hey, you!
Who, me?
Yeah, you, man!
What do you want, buddy?
Can you tell me what are we watching?
Yeah, of course. We are watching Manoli's vlog. And welcome to my vlog. Yay.
Today, Saturday, and it's raining. Yeah, all night it was raining and it's still raining. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do some things now and then I'm gonna be back home. But I'm wet. I'm so wet. Bye. Oh, good morning. Just a good morning, guys. I don't know if you can see the steam that goes out from that coffee, that good coffee that I made. Oh yeah, I just got back from the work that I had to do, and tell me, it can't get better, you know. I'm sitting on my balcony, listening to the falling rain, drinking coffee, chilling out. It has some cool breeze, and it feels like a great breeze summer day. Oh, it's lovely and I love it. Cheers. Oh, heaven. Hello. Hello, Sardine. Hello. Hello, Sardine. Hello. Hello, Sardine. Hello. Hello, Sardine. Hello. I don't get it. We're gonna have some sardines grilled for lunch. I'm gonna clean them up now, and I'm gonna give it a go. I love fish. I love fish. And sardines are really cheap. And my sardines are cleaned up and they're ready to be grilled. Say goodbye. Lunch is ready. Take a look at that. Our grill baked sardines. And some sardines saganaki. That's what we call that here, saganaki. And some original country's Greek salad. Bon appetit. And I'm gonna bring a really good glass of white dry wine. Cheers. We had some kind of emergency. My father's sister was in an extreme pain in her ear, so due to the lack of transportation, I had to take them to a hospital. So there I'm going now. It's raining too much. Look. These are the universities. There you see. Anyway, I'm going over to the hospital. You know, sometimes it isn't trust anyone to do something for you. I trusted my cousin to call to find out which hospital is on duty today, and he told me one, which I was before, and he was wrong. He didn't hear well, so I had to go back and pick him up again, and I had to call to find which hospital is on duty, and finally I found it. It's this hospital. Anyway, I'm going in to find them to see what's going on. Okay, I'm in the hospital now, and they're examining my aunt. I think that she doesn't have really something, but just you know, some germ getting to her ear. And anyway, I will see what will happen and talk to you later. Thank God we found it. Hello, guys. Guys, are you there? Of course you're there. How you doing? Finally my aunt didn't have any serious problems. She had just a small infection in her ear, so the doctors gave her a prescription and we left. Anywho, thinking of beginning writing a song. I read your comments about my idea that I told you yesterday, and I saw that you liked that idea, and I'm gonna begin making songs. Although I'm gonna take it easy and slow, you know, there's no need to rush or anything, brother. Yeah, I'm gonna begin recording a blues song. Blues, baby, blues, yeah. Anyway, I have recorded so far one guitar and the basic drum line, and I'm gonna improvise in some solo now. see that I have shaved my facial hair because Jim's gonna pick me up and go out for a drink and have a crazy night. And who knows, maybe we get to meet some girls. Who knows? But we never do. Anyway, I don't know why. Is it our smell? I smell good. Anyway, forget it. I forgot to tell you that today, which is Saturday for me, Sunday for you, is taking place the Eurovision contest. The Eurovision crop, as my friend Mark, vlog with Sid, said in his vlog. Yeah, I agree, it's a crop these days, and I was a fan of Eurovision till the late 80s, you know, and early 90s. But things changed for Eurovision contest. It got too political, and the songs are just bleh. I mean, Eurovision lost its quality, so I'm not gonna watch it, of course. I'm gonna go out for a drink with Jim. Yeah, I'm gonna see you later. Rock on, people. Bye.
It's raining. Why? How are you, Jim? Hello, people. Welcome to my this vlog. Are you ready to go and have some good time tonight? Oh yeah, yeah. Yeah, you know that now. Yeah, good time. It's red. Red. Stop, red. Are we gonna go to Foxtrot again? Yes, Foxtrot again. I think Foxtrot is a really good place. Huh? Good place that rain.
It's raining! Oh, it's winter again! It's winter again! Oh, it's raining! Where are you? Magical place. Yeah! Oh, it's raining! Yeah, I like it. Good time for Are we gonna go to Foxtrot again? Yeah, we're gonna have a good time! Yeah, Foxtrot people! Yeah, okay, bye. Hello people and welcome to my vlog. Okay, say bye now. Bye. Ciao. See you later. Stop.
Hello guys, I'm back home. Yeah, we really had a great time with Jim again today. I mean, it was crazy. It was a really nice night here. I really enjoyed, and I'm just back home and seeing again a live broadcasting by YouTube, Rock and Rio. Smashing Pumpkins are on stage, and I'm listening to them. The time is 4 a.m., but I will stay up to listen to that concert because I like Smashing Pumpkins. Thank you so much, guys, for your support, for your comments. You really do support me, and I need to thank you for that every day. And good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good day, good night, wherever you are. Something.